Cgood Steel is a leader in the steel strip manufacturing industry, specializing in the production of high-carbon steel strip, alloy steel strip, spring steel strip, stainless steel strip and other high-performance materials. Since its establishment in 2004, we have been committed to providing high-quality steel products and professional heat treatment processing services to customers around the world. Our high-carbon steel strip products are widely used in hardware tool manufacturing, such as plastering trowels and band saw blades, due to their excellent hardness and wear resistance. Through precise cold rolling and quenching and tempering processes, Cgood Steel's high-carbon steel strip has super hardness and durability, making it an ideal choice for your tool production. Spring steel strips have excellent elasticity and toughness, and are widely used in products with extremely high elasticity requirements, such as rolling door springs and clutch covers. The spring steel strips produced by Cgood Steel ensure that the product maintains stable performance under high-stress working conditions. Our alloy steel strip products, especially 50 CRV4 and 51 CRV4 models, have become indispensable materials in machinery manufacturing and high-stress environments due to their excellent strength and durability. Stainless steel strips, with their excellent rust resistance, are widely used in equipment manufacturing in humid environments, such as food processing and medical devices. Cgood Steel's tool steel belts use high-quality materials and advanced process technology to create durable, high-precision knives and saw blades. Whether it is making woodworking band saw blades or food band saw blades, our tool steel belts can provide stable performance and ultimate cutting results. Cgood Steel has an annual output of 15,000 tons and supplies products to many countries and regions around the world. We not only provide high-quality steel products, but also provide personalized heat treatment and cold rolling process services to meet customers' customized needs. From raw material procurement to the production of each roll of steel strip, we strictly follow ISO certification standards to ensure that each product meets the highest quality requirements. Cgood Steel, your steel strip product expert, let us work together to create an efficient and reliable future. For more product information, please visit our official website or contact us.